Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, any part of the world where you go get for watch this video. Make I send a message to the useless ladies them, na the diaspora. Yes, na so I say. By the way, when I see this close way, so insults na in the day. I don't used to it. It not dey affect me at all. Because I know say when this they go out, and I get for send insults some of una. It not dey bother me at all. My skin it thick. But it is very bad waiting to go on our community. The new trend where una don't start. First of all, not a new trend. That's where they go on, but now it don't rampant. Una them where they pay money them to people in a salon. For make them destroy people in maridos. For make them destroy people in relationship. Make them lie at them. Una they pay man them. Make them call them man them. Say they sleep with them. Set them up. Innocent lady. Then they left part of this world now. They go salon for go enjoy. When man yarn them, they not even know say una don't set them up. They fall in love with them man they are. Then they get them sex video, then record them secretly, then they send them to una, then on the same one they take out, they share on a WhatsApp. Una all name don't come up. Maybe they watch this video, you go want to find out, say what they go on. Maybe you know you read the news it, but it will meet you because they're all over WhatsApp right now and Facebook. The names they all long come out of the ladies them. Then American where they pay people them $200, $100, $150, $300 for make them insult people them, for make them curse people them. God not asleep. The thing backfire. Una not done for pay the guy. So the guy just upset. Because the guy don't work for now for 3 years, according to his voice notes. 3 years, when they send them pictures, name them, and everything for me them curse people them, for me them lie at people and destroy people in married house and destroy people in life. But make I talk to una the useless one the way they do that. Even una some of una demand that they do that too. But make I talk to me useless sisters them where they do that. You see this world where we there? When somebody don't pass you, it don't pass you. When somebody don't better pass you, don't better pass you. When somebody gets mama blessing, they get mama blessing. So whatever una do for make una destroy somebody in reputation, in name, in character, and not they ever succeed. Because when God don't bless, he don't bless. Una go try, but he not go ever succeed. For the sake of God, how you call yourself woman, una call yourself a woman, then una they try for bring people them down. If una not let people them, if una not let individual them, una left them, but una not go pay, una they work hard in this country. First of all, I don't think so una they work hard. Because some of the work they want to do, now people and waste una they wipe everything. That money where you get, you not go put it into good use. But no, una they take the money, una they go pay people them for make people and destroy people them life. Una all name we they put on a media one by one. It's about time we do something in our community. It's about time we stop una. We know say it not go stop completely 100%, but we go slow una down. We go slow na down. Una all name where they that voice notes where they go on a WhatsApp and where they na Facebook. We pay this guy for make you do everything, and this guy gets everybody in numbers and they name them. Where una give this guy money for make it destroy them life. They go to the even extent call them married man, say that then sleep with the woman where they go salon, set them up. God go punish una. Una useless. We know una like 3 of una name where they call and know una very well. And I know so una don't see me in the media. But una all name we go put them up in the media. One by one. It's about time una get some sense. It's like things just to go from worst. It not even gets better. Then we see now we they talk about the government. We see now we they talk about other people. When are we Sierra Leoneans that they destroy? If we the people that we they destroy we own people, how we country go better? Una the ladies them una know herself. Una go to the extent, tell this guy, una go give him $1,000, make it burn down a gas station na Lunge, but the guy say he no go do him because in life better. Because the guy talk and the voice note, it tell una say the government where they right now we know they play. Ebo. So now all the same people and money in a tongue for make fets then our country, make people and destroy people in life. Then una sit down oversee. Una make innocent one another in the media, but we they bring una all name out. The last time when I do a video about friends, some of them begin insult me, which I not care because I know some girlfriend get a lot of insults. You know, more than me skin is tight. We within at the media, we for already know say we within at the media, we they bring, the truth come out, then go insult we. So me from time, I don't make up my mind. I've been in the media for years, not now I start kind of the media. So no insults they pass through me. If now want to cost me, my mama or anything, but una stop, una useless. Una useless, una stop. Salon ladies, una stop. And the one way they, na salon the guys them, I go make a clip for now because una for use una sense. And you the guy, if thing not be backfire, you know go come out and let all these secrets out. But because thing backfire, they're not finished for pay you, then block you everywhere for me, then give you balance, na image. How for God's sake, and you married based on your statements, you married, you and your wife na salon, they pay una, they insult people over here, una they set people up, una they lie for people. You feel say God they sleep? You feel say God they sleep, you the guy? And you say you don't do it for 3 years, you don't work for them. And I'm not saying not to you 1 grain, but God go expose you now. The useless woman they are. God go expose you now. God go surely expose you now. God bless you now. Bye-bye.